I'm here at 3 Lagoon Court. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with 2,650 square feet in the Marin Lagoons neighborhood. So we have a nice large landing when you approach the front door. And upon entering, you're immediately greeted by this large living space / dining. All of the carpet is brand new and the walls have been repainted. To the right of the front door is the guest's half bath, the stone counters and storage under the vanity. This door leads to the garage, which is a nice large 2-car garage with plenty of lighting. And a sink. Coming back into the house from the garage, we have the laundry room with storage above the washer and dryer. And then from the laundry room, we enter our kitchen. This is actually right off the living room as well, in the front door there. There's a breakfast nook directly off of the kitchen. Wood cabinets throughout and stainless steel appliances. Plenty of storage. And a dual basin sink that both of the basins are quite deep. Here we have a Viking range built into the cabinet. Double ovens as well as a wine fridge. Again, plenty of storage. Off of the kitchen is a den area with a gas fireplace, which overlooks one of the lagoons. You can see a little duck house out there. And then this area here leads us right back into the large living room. Going outside from the den, we have a nice patio with some lavender. And this is going to have sod added right here, so this will be a good sized grass backyard. It's fully enclosed as well, perfect place for a small dog. Check out that view, how cool is that? Wouldn't even think that there would be something like that in San Rafael. Here again is our gas fireplace. And view of the kitchen from the den. Nice large living room. And then there's the front entry again. When we go up the stairs, there are these tall windows with a beautiful view of a redwood tree right outside. As you can see, the ceilings are very tall throughout. They're about 9-foot ceilings. This house does have air conditioning too, a rare treat in San Rafael. The top of the stairs is an alcove for some decorative item. Here's one of the bedrooms. Nice high-pitched ceilings. And a good-sized closet with some closet organizing. Other bedroom again has nice tall ceilings, let in plenty of light, and a standard size rolling closet. Between these two bedrooms is a bath with dual vanity, plenty of storage under the sink, and then a separate wash closet with a shower over the tub. Stone flooring. Here we have the top of the stairs with that view of the redwood again. At the top of the stairs is an organizer here. And then to the left, we have a bonus office space. This is large enough to use as a second bedroom, although there is no closet. It would also be a great area for, say, a nursery, office, really anything that you would need a bonus space for. And across from it, we enter the master suite. So master suite is easily large enough to fit a king-size bed. You could have king-size bed as well as a nice seating area. It overlooks the lagoon. Then it has 2 walk-in closets. They're both fairly substantial in size. So here's the first closet. And here's the second, which we can have coat hangers added. That's not a problem at all. So across this, from the sleeping area, is the ensuite bath. Have a nice large soaking tub, as well as a standing shower. Dual vanity sinks. And then a separate wash closet. The floor is high-end vinyl laminate that was just installed. Again, looking across at the office. And then here we are in the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings.